Okay, so my name's Laura and this is Lorenzo.
Lawrence.
And we're customers at Puddle Ducks and we've been going since Lorenzo was about 9 weeks old. When Lorenzo was about 4 months old, we featured in the Puddle Ducks advert that you might have seen on TV. And we're still working with Puddle Ducks to document Lorenzo's swimming journey and as he develops, so you can see what that's like. Yeah, we've moved from Floaties to Splashes, and I'd say the lessons are a little bit more fast-paced, which is great for him because Floaties, I think he was at an age where he was a lot more chilled out. So they kind of lay on the back and stuff, but in Splashes there's a lot more activities, but he's so ready for it and he's splashing more and really enjoying jumping in off the side, for example. And then the safety aspect, so there's turn, he's holding his head up and that's helping him because he does turn, and we practice that at home and things. So the activities have definitely got more challenging, but they've worked well with his sort of developmental stages as well. Definitely pack the night before so the bag's ready, and then we would make sure he's sort of ready for his nap time before we leave, so hopefully he has his nap on the way to swimming, and definitely have a good breakfast before he leaves, so he's nice and full up, ready for his swimming, lots of energy. So on a Friday is my day off, and we've chosen to carry on swimming with Puddle Ducks purely because it's, for us, it was high importance, his health, his safety around water, for him to learn how to swim, and also it's just such a nice bonding time for us. I really look forward to our Friday mornings together. Nikki explains before, when she demonstrates the next activity, she sort of shows us what to do and why we do it. The lesson today was great, as always. Lorenzo always enjoys his lessons. He's always splashing, and hence all the wet hair that we've got here. And lots of kicking and splashing, and then he's just recently learned to hold on.